Good morning, third grade. Happy Thursday. Today we are continuing our journey in math, reviewing multiplication. So your assignments today are going to be reviewing the multiplication facts that we've been working on all year long. So there are two different activities in these slides again. So I'm going to go through the activities with you so that you can remember how to do them. Also remember that if you get stuck and you can't remember a multiplication fact, to get out a piece of scrap paper. And you can use groups, an array, repeated addition, any of the strategies we've learned this year in class to help you find the answers to those problems. So the first slides are going to look like this, and you're just going to be reviewing your multiplication facts 1 through 12. So what you'll do is on this first slide, we're reviewing all of our facts for 1. So you're doing the number that is in the red circle times each number that is in the yellow box. So for example, 1 times 1, and then over here in the pink circle, you're going to be putting the answer. So 1 times 1 is 1. The next one is 7, so 1 times 7 equals 7. The next one is 1 times 3, so I'm going to click on the little pink circle, and I'm going to get rid of the number sign, and I'm going to put the answer in its place. So 1 times 3, the product of that would be 3. So I put my answer in just like that. So that is how you're going to do the first set of slides. You're going to take whatever number is in the red circle and multiply it by the yellow square number. And then you put the product in the pink circle. And remember, the directions are always over here in the red if you forget. So you'll do that with all of these numbers, 1 through 12. And then we're going to make it a little more challenging, and we're going to review some word problems with multiplication. So in these slides, the green box is going to have the word problem, and then you are going to show us your work by putting down the multiplication fact, the answer, and labeling your answer. Now, again, if you are not sure of an answer, pull out that scrap paper and you can make any of those strategies we've learned, the groups, the arrays, the repeated addition, to show your work. If you really want to, you could also go up here and click insert, and you could take a picture of your work and stick it on your slide for your teacher to see as well. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So our first problem looks like this. It says an octopus has 8 legs. Susie saw 8 octopi when she was swimming. How many legs did she see total? Well, I see the word total, so that lets me know that I am solving a multiplication problem. So I know, then I think back to using cubes. So I'm looking for my numbers now. My numbers are 8 and 6. So my problem is 8 times 6. So down here, you're going to type down your answer. You're going to write 8 times 6, and then you put in your little equal sign. And then once I know the answer, I can type it in. So 8 times 6 is 48. So they wrote their answer, and the best part, they labeled their answer. What were we solving for? 8 what? 8 crayons, 8 beach balls, 8 popsicle sticks? No, we were solving for 8 legs. Remember, if you're trying to figure out what you're solving for, it's usually in the last sentence of a word problem. Okay, so make sure when you're solving these word problems that you label your answer with what you are solving for. Okay, if you have any questions about these slides, contact your teacher and we'll be happy to help. This should be an easy breeze. You guys have been doing multiplication all year long and rocking it out, so I don't think you're going to have any issues at all today. Okay, bye guys.